So we got ourselves a mini Mac Pro. Today we're going to show you how to turn your Mac Mini M4 or M4 Pro to a mini Mac Pro. By the way, this is from Ulanzi and this is not a sponsored video or anything. I bought this with my own money and there's no sponsorship with this, but I do have affiliate links down below to help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. This is the mini Mac Pro. This is made out of full aluminum, I believe. It's pretty lightweight, but it does have a premium feel. Now there are a few things that is great about this. The first one is the handle up here, couple of handles on top, nice little stands in the bottom. The front is the best part, I think, because it's magnetic. So this is full metal. You could see the little grading there. Looks beautiful. And this has magnets on the back, as you could see there. And basically, if you want to put it on, there it is. You can also put it from the side, like so. And it won't fall off. Pretty good. Now the back, they solved the problem of having that power on and off right there. So you won't have to touch it. You know, the problem is it sits like this and you'll have to do something like that. You don't have to do that anymore because it's standing like so. And the back, it opens up all the ports as well. So you won't have a problem on putting things back there, which is pretty good. It also keeps the power port on the bottom, kind of like a normal Mac Pro. Now, there's a few things little quirks that I wish they added on to this. Like, first of all, this top, like so. I know it's a small detail. It's nice that they etched it, but it's not a usable handle, which it's a nice addition, but I kind of wish they have a little kind of hinge there, so it feels like it's the same. And the bottom is the stand, the metal stands. I'm definitely gonna buy one if they made wheels for these. You know, like, as long as it's not like I don't know how much it is, $1,000 to buy wheels from Apple. As long as it's not $1,000 for the wheels, I'll definitely get some. And if it wheels pretty good, then I'd like to get some as well. The wheels, in a way, is not so good, especially in a small computer like this, because if it's sitting on your desk, you don't really want it to move, but it's just a nice touch if it has wheels. These are removable, so that's a good thing to do. You can definitely look for a wheel that has this threading, so you can replace it with that without any problem, which is not bad at all. Another nice addition is that both plates from the two sides here are removable, so that's a good addition. As you could see here, there's screws on four sides, same with the other side. So that's a good thing, because then you can take it off from both sides if you wanted to. But yeah, it would be nice as well if all sides are magnetic like so. But I can see why they didn't do it on one side, because it might be annoying, because you will be plugging in stuff on the back side and you'll end up like kind of wobbling around every time you plug in something. I think that's why they didn't do it. I think this is the closest one-to-one on the Mac Pro style case for the Mac Mini. So, would you be getting one? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if it's not good as well. Whatever you want to comment on the bottom, I'll see you guys there. I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.